All right, here we are. So pretty much what we got going on today is my Tahoe is idling very rough. So a couple weeks ago, I swapped out my mass airflow sensor. While I was in there, I cleaned out my throttle body and it was idling great again. I think what's going on here, somebody put on this aftermarket air filter, and I think the problem is that this one is just shot, and I think the throttle body actually just keeps getting dirty. So I picked up this K&N air filter. I got it at AutoZone. It was actually 80 bucks. The original air filter, somebody before I got the truck swapped it out. So I'm just gonna pop that one off and I'm gonna clean the throttle body again. Should pop right off. Yeah, this one, you can see how bad it is. Okay, got that all tightened up. We're gonna pop off this side over here. Okay, got this side of the intake off, the air intake. You just gotta loosen up the flathead on top. So I'm gonna be using this throttle body air intake cleaner. When you do this, you don't want to spray it in there. You just want to spray it on your rags and then just wipe in there. You can see there's a lot of black stuff coming up. We'll do it up here in a clean spot. And all that came out. So yeah, I think that this is because I was using that old air filter. And all I'm doing is actually opening up the trap and just getting as far in as I can reach. And yeah, you can see there's a lot of stuff in there coming out. So I'm just gonna keep doing that until I get everything out. Again, I'm not spraying the air, the cleaner directly in there. I'm spraying it on the rag. And I'm just gonna use a screwdriver, push it all the way back in there. I want to make sure I get as much of that black stuff out, the buildup, as I can. Yeah, you can see there's still a lot. Here's a new rag. Well, you can actually see how much stuff is actually coming out of there. So yeah, all that came out too. Got it pretty clean in there. Kept cleaning it until the rag wasn't showing any other stuff. So I'm gonna put it back together, pop this back in, tighten it up, and then we'll start it up. I'm just tightening everything up with an 8mm, just to make sure it's real tight. I don't want any of this stuff to pop off. Because again, this is all aftermarket stuff. I would rather have the original stuff, but I don't have it. When I bought the truck, this was in there. And I did check my local junkyard. They had one, but it's too expensive, so I'm just gonna go with this for now. In a good shape. Make sure everything's on there good. Alright, I'm gonna start it up and see how she sounds. Oh yeah, I can already hear it. It's idling a lot better already. So I'll keep you guys posted. See if I need to do anything else. But yeah, I can definitely hear the difference already. Thanks for watching.